Topic: Cytokinesis. Students, the cytoplasm divides by cytokinesis and two new cells are formed which are called as daughter cells. In this process, a notch is formed at the equatorial plane of the cell which deepens gradually and thereby two new cells are formed. In case of plant cell, instead of notch, cell plate is formed exactly along midline of the cell and thus cytokinesis is completed. Student, our next topic is meiosis. Meiosis first and meiosis second are the two stages. See in figure. In meiosis first, recombination or crossing over occur between homologous chromosomes and thereafter those homologous chromosomes, not sister chromatids, are divided into two groups and thus two haploid cells are formed. In second stage, two haploid daughter cells formed in meiosis first undergo division by separation of recombined sister chromatid and four haploid daughter cells are formed. Process of gamete production and spore formation occurs by meiosis, and in this four haploid end daughter cells are formed from diploid to young cell, and crossing over occurs between homologous chromosomes. In this way, genetic recombination occurs. Due to this, all the four daughter cells are genetically different from parent cell and from each other too. Students, one experiment is here. For this, apparatus is conical flask, glass slide, cover slip, compound microscope, watch glass, etc. And material is medium size onion, iodine solution, etc. For this procedure is take a medium size onion, keep it in a conical flask filled with water in such a way that the roots of onion will be in contact with water. Observe the roots of onion after 4 or 5 days. Cut the tips of some roots and put them in a watch glass. Pour some drops of iodine in watch glass. Take one of the root tip on glass slide. Press it with help of forceps. Add 1 or 2 drops of water and carefully place cover slip over it in such a way that air will be not trapped between. Observe prepared glass side under compound microscope. There are various phases of cell division occurring in root tips of onion are shown in the figure. Here our second chapter is completed.